I was very young, maybe 10 years old, that I saw a fighter aircraft which was flying very low, and the speed and the sound was so amazing. So I went, saw this aircraft. I had the dream to sit in that aircraft. It was a long dream. It was a dream which required a lot of hard work, spirit, motivation, and hardship. So the spirit is just like the long march. Great motivation was there when more than for 2 years, half of China, they have walked on foot without any transportation. These were common people, farmers, and people who did not have many money. And the big army of KMT was falling, trying to annihilate them, kill them. And these Chinese people, which carried out this long march all across China, half of them went to the north and west to save, so as to regroup and become strong. And this is what is required for the leadership, because China has a great leadership. And under the leadership, the spirit is still going off the long march. The great struggle, determination, and facing great difficulties of weather, of big army. And that spirit is what is the motivation behind, coming from way back 80 years, the long march.